friends, welcome to Cal Days. Hope you guys are an amazing day. So today we are going to deal with another question from our Telegram channel. Now let's check the question. The difference between the present ages of Arun and Deepak is 14 years. 7 years ago, the ratio of their ages is 5:7 respectively. Find Deepak's age. Okay, so this question is actually based on a topic known as ages. And in that topic itself, you can see the concept of ratio is also coming, right? So I have told you many times that three topics in our CSAT syllabus is very important. That is the percentage, the ratios and proportion, and averages. Okay, these three topics are very important because we can see their application in other parts of our syllabus also, especially in topics like ages, modes and streams, speed, distance and time, etc. Okay, so you should thoroughly study these three topics, that is the the percentages, the average, and of course the ratios and proportion. Okay, now let's check the question. The difference between the present ages of Arun and Deepak is 14 years, right? So from the first statement, can we tell who is younger or who is elder? No, we can't tell, right? It is said that the difference between their ages is 14 years, right? We don't know who is younger or who is elder, right? Now consider the second statement. 7 years ago, the ratio of their ages was 5:7, okay, respectively. 7 years ago, their ages was 5:7 respectively, right? That means the ratio of Arun's age to Deepak's age is what? 5:7. So from that ratio, we can find that Arun is younger compared to Deepak, right? That is, the ratio of Arun's age is to Deepak's age is what? 5:7. From that, the ratio of, from that we can find that Arun is younger compared to Deepak. Okay, that means Deepak is elder. So now come to the first statement. If I am taking x as Arun's age, then Deepak's age will be what? X plus 14, right? So we got their ages, okay? Their present ages. Now 7 years ago, the ratio of their ages was 5:7 respectively. That is, 7 years ago, what will be Arun's age? It will be x minus 7, right? X minus 7, and Deepak's age will be what? X plus 14 minus 7, okay? That is equal to what? 5:7, okay? So we will be getting another equation, that is x minus 7 the whole divided by x plus 14 minus 7 is equal to 5/7, okay? I think till now you all got the concept. And from that we need to find Deepak's age, right? So now let's solve the question. Just solve for x and you will get the answer, okay? First of all, you will be getting x value, that is Arun's age, and then it is at that x plus 14 is Deepak's age. So adding 14 to the Arun's age, you will be getting Deepak's age, right? So let's solve it. Now cross multiplication, that is 7x minus 49 is equal to what? 5x plus 14 minus 7, you will be getting 7, and 7 5 is 35, right? 35. That is 7x minus 5x is equal to what? 49 plus 35, right? That is 2x is equal to what? 84, right? So x will be what? X is 42. So you are getting Arun's age as 42, right? And we need to find Deepak's age. So we got Arun's age as 42. So Deepak's age will be what? 42 plus 14, right? 42 plus 14, what value you will be getting? 56, okay? So Deepak's age is 56. And we got the answer, okay? Okay guys, now please check your option. That is A 42, B 47, C 54 and D none of this, right? So your answer will be what? None of this, okay? And you first of all, you will be getting the value of x and you will get the value as 42, and when you check onto the options, then you will see 42 years, and most of you guys make wrong there, okay? You will be marking 42 as answer. So read the question carefully, find the answer, then if you are getting confused after getting your answer, try to read your question once again and then only mark your answer, okay? So keep this thing in your mind while doing problems based on ages, okay? It is actually a little bit confusing, okay? So that's why the options are given like this. So our answer is none of these according to the options given here, okay? Okay guys, try to subscribe our Telegram channel for more updates, and our YouTube channel also. Here you will be getting a whole lot of questions, and we will be solving questions not only based on CSAT but also other topics regarding our civil service exam. So that's all for the day, guys. Thank you.